Dr. Reddington here with Nature's Gold. Think of me as your body's backstage pass to peak performance. I sniff out the good stuff, so you don't have to. Let's take a closer look at what makes this powerhouse tick and why it matters. Don't just mask the ache. Rebuild the foundation of how you move. We start with the essential building blocks: glucosamine, chondroitin, and MSM. This triple threat works deep within your joints to repair cartilage, boost synovial fluid for smoother, oil-like movement, and provide the sulfur needed for strong connective tissues. It's about restoring that natural shock absorption in your knees and hips so you can stay active longer. Next, we combine 900 milligrams of turmeric and curcuminoids with boswellia and ginger. This synergistic blend attacks inflammation from multiple angles, blocking the enzymes that cause swelling and stiffness, while the turmeric provides long-term cellular protection. The ginger and boswellia offer fast-acting relief for muscle tenderness and joint pressure, helping you recover from exercise in record time. To keep your joints resilient, we've added quercetin, bromelain, and methionine. These antioxidants hunt down free radicals and break down inflammatory proteins that cause internal rust. By improving microcirculation, they ensure fresh nutrients reach your hard-to-reach joint tissues, clearing out metabolic waste and supporting your body's master detox pathways. Finally, we've included BioPerine to supercharge this entire formula. It increases the absorption of these potent actives by up to 2,000%, ensuring every milligram in our clean vegan capsule actually reaches your joints to do its job. No fluff, no fillers, just top shelf. Backed by science, brewed by nature, and bottled just for you using the most potent nutrients from premium ingredients. Packed with the purest quality. Take control of your vitality and power up with Nature's Gold, the new standard in health.